Have you ever wished you could buy a laptop today, and instead of replacing it a few years later, simply upgrade the parts you need? That's exactly the idea behind the new Framework Laptop 13 Pro. But does it finally deliver a premium experience, or is it still just a niche laptop for tech enthusiasts? Let's find out. At first glance, the Framework Laptop 13 Pro looks much more refined than previous generations. It now comes with a CNC-machined aluminum body and a graphite finish, giving it a premium look and feel that can easily stand alongside laptops from brands like Dell, Lenovo, or even Apple's MacBook lineup. It's still compact, weighing about 1.4 kilograms, and feels sturdy without losing its repairable design. The biggest reason people buy a Framework laptop is its upgradeability, and thankfully, that hasn't changed. You can replace the battery, SSD, memory, display, keyboard, and even the mainboard instead of buying an entirely new laptop. The expansion card system is also back, allowing you to swap ports whenever you want. Need HDMI today and extra USB-C tomorrow? Just swap the modules in seconds without carrying extra adapters. Performance is another area where this laptop takes a major leap forward. The new Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors deliver fast performance for everyday work, programming, creative tasks, and even some gaming. According to reviewers, the laptop stays surprisingly quiet during normal use, which is a huge improvement over earlier Framework models that were often criticized for loud cooling fans. Battery life is also much better this time around. Framework claims up to 20 hours of video streaming, while real-world testing managed around 16 hours, which is still excellent for a Windows laptop. The display is another highlight. You get a sharp 13.5-inch touchscreen with a 3:2 aspect ratio, making it especially useful for coding, writing, and productivity. The screen is bright, colorful, and the matte finish helps reduce reflections, making it easier to use in different lighting conditions. The typing experience is also impressive. The keyboard feels comfortable with deep key travel, and the new haptic touchpad is one of the best Framework has ever offered. Many reviewers even compared its feel to the touchpad found on a MacBook, which is high praise. Of course, no laptop is perfect. While the speakers are decent, they still don't match the audio quality offered by some premium competitors. The webcam is another weak point, producing video that looks a bit grainy compared to laptops in the same price range. But the biggest issue right now isn't the hardware, it's the price. Because the laptop uses the newer webcam 2 memory standard, RAM prices have increased dramatically. That means higher-end configurations can cost much more than expected. In fact, the review points out that the hardware itself is excellent, but current memory prices make recommending it a little difficult unless you truly need a new laptop today. So, should you buy the Framework Laptop 13 Pro? If you care about repairability, long-term upgrades, Linux support, and owning a laptop that can evolve instead of becoming electronic waste, this is one of the most exciting laptops available today. It combines premium build quality, excellent performance, long battery life, and unmatched repairability in a way very few companies offer. However, if you're mainly looking for the best value right now, it may be worth waiting until memory prices come down. At a more reasonable price, the Framework Laptop 13 Pro becomes an even stronger recommendation. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather own a laptop you can upgrade for years, or do you prefer buying a brand new one every few years? I'll see you in the next video.